Okay, we're back. We missed that first short trade. We didn't get filled. Ended up being a real nice winner. Uh, been good for a good 20, 25 points. Had a nice pullback trade, which would have been good for another 10 to 15 points. We are gearing up here for our next normal system entry. Looking to jump in around 99.04. Going to see if we can make 20 to 25 points profit. I got a 25 point stop loss on this trade as well, and I'll drag that up if the market goes in our favor. About between 10 and 15 ticks, I start moving my stop loss up. All right, there we go. We're going to jump in long. We're in at 99.04. And we're going to let this trade cook a little bit. These trades don't move as fast as the ES trades run a longer term tick chart. Sometimes they take right off. Sometimes it's like watching paint dry. A lot of people like that about trading the Dow Minis, is it's not as fast moving as the S&P or some other markets. Kind of gives you a chance to relax and let the trade cook a little bit. But we're going to sit here just a little bit and may have to pause the video. We only get about 7 to 8 minutes, then we got to worry about YouTube being too long on a video. So we'll let this trade cook a little bit. If it gets too long in time, we'll pause the video. Now we're still here. Not a whole lot going on. Had a few ticks profits kind of going against us just a little bit. But we're going to hold off here. We'll probably pause the video here in a couple more minutes if we don't see some more action. Good little trade still. Great probability setup. You see the first trade that we were in the first part of the video. We missed it by a couple ticks. Had a nice profit in there. Just didn't get it. We had a pullback trade. You can see the hash marks moving down. Those are the pullback entries. Would have been another nice trade. These longer term Dows, I like to really hold them out for more than 10 or 15 ticks, but it is the first profit objective that I teach is about 15 ticks. If you think about it from an income standpoint, it's a really good income. Making 10 Dow points, 10 Dow ticks is $50 a contract. Pretty nice income trading 10 contracts. If you go for a little more, 20, 25 ticks, which would be about your second objective on a longer term Dow chart, make $1,000, $1,200 trading 10 contracts. Then you're going to catch good trades off the Dow Minis. One of the things, we're already picking up. Let's go ahead and move our stop loss here. We just got a nice jump up. Let me bring it up right there, right around 9,000, that level there. So we're already in the money. I could pull off right here with a nice $750 profit easily. I'm going to just bring the stop loss up. Again, the reason I stay in a little bit longer, I'm an income trader, and that's a great income trade right there. But these Dow trades tend to move slower, and they trend a lot more. So catching a 30, 40, 50 tick move is not out of the norm. You could keep your stop loss down and start trailing it up, keep your profit objective up. But personally, if it hits 25 ticks, I'm pretty happy. That's $1,100-$1,200 profit after commissions. Pretty nice trade. We've got 20 ticks there, 21 ticks right now. So we'll see if we can bounce up here. Now, one thing I'll do now is I'll watch the buyers. If the buyers stay bullish, meaning just basic technical analysis here. If the buyers stay bullish, I'll hold off for the 99.29. Meaning if this bar closes and price action stays above the low of that bar, I'll stay in the trade. It could come right down and stop me out at 99.14. Still make a nice 10 tick profit. Still got a great income. But it's worth a little extra time and risk to stay in this trade. Here we go. We're probably going to get it. And once this thing picks up, again, probably good opportunity. We're off. Okay, nice $1,250 profit. Good trade. I could have stayed in a little bit longer. We had that short. Nice trade that we missed right there. Nice long trade. So we caught it on the second trade. Really nice profit.